Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried Napa cabbage with shrimp. Big juicy shrimp and a soft glistening cabbage. This dish smells so fresh and rich. I'm telling you, it's one of those dishes that hits you with that deep, natural umami. Here I've got some fresh shrimp. First, let's get them cleaned up. Snip off the shrimp heads and clean out any gunk inside. Then trim off the legs as well. Now use your scissors and start cutting along the back from the second joint. Once it's opened up, remove the vein. After that, we will cut the head off completely. These shrimp are big, so to help them absorb flavor better later, go ahead and slit the shrimp meat in half. Next, we've got some Napa cabbage. Just tear it up by hand. We are mainly using the leafy part here. Skip the thick stems if you can. They are not what we want in this dish. Here we have some scallions cut into short sections, a few slices of ginger, and some sliced garlic. Alright, let's start cooking. Add some oil in the wok. Then toss in the Napa cabbage. Turn the heat to high and give it a stir fry. Just keep stir frying until the cabbage breaks down and goes all soft. Then take it out. Now let's deal with the shrimp. Add oil in the wok and turn the heat on medium-low. Add the shrimp to the wok and spread them out in a single layer. Let them sear until both sides turn red. Toss in the scallions, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce right along the edge of the wok. Bring the cabbage back in. Now season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix that up well and don't rush this part. We are gonna stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes so the flavors really soak in. Pour in some potato starch slurry. Stir until everything is nicely coated in that glossy sauce. Right before we are done, drizzle in a little cooking oil for that final shine. Give it a toss and we are good to go. Wow, the Napa cabbage is even more flavorful than the shrimp. I will try it first for you. Oh man, that's crazy fresh. When you make this, really cook the cabbage down. Let it get soft and rich. That's the secret to how good it is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.